Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, Time flies and we are already in March 2024. So what we have achieved in February is we have passed phase 1 of the funded account in FundedNext, and I have restarted all the process and what you need to do to transit from a part-time trader to a full-time trader. And also my vision here is to help all the part-time trader to earn extra income, okay, without compromising your full-time job. So this is the long-term plan that I will be doing in the next 12 months. The first step is to pass the FTMO Funded Trial Account, the demo account, okay. The profit target is to achieve 5% within 14 days. Okay, so um, over the past weeks, I've been doing live streaming on uh, trading on FTMO demo account, whereby we have one swing account and one scalping account. Okay, we have 5 more trading days to go. If we can manage to pass this challenge, then we will go and purchase a funded account from FundedNext with a 2 phase challenge. See if we can pass this challenge, and once we have received the payout, then we will use the payout to purchase a 15K account, and then we will repeat the same process. Each process is take about 3 months. Okay, when we receive the payout, then we will buy the 200K challenge account. And once we have successfully passed the challenge, and then what we are going to do is we will use the payout and deposit into our live trading account, our own account, okay, which I'm using Pepperstone. So once we have accumulated sufficient profit from here, then we will get out from the funded account and we will trade using our own capital. That's how we accumulate our capital. Okay, this is a progress update on I've done about three and a half trading day in the past week now. So this is day number 4. Progress for the swing account is 2.6% with one win, one break even, and one loss. Okay, if you have followed through my live trading, could have known if these two, if we close at profit, we are at about 4.6% already. So, but it's okay. That's how we do the swing account. As long as we have more than 50% win rate, we will able to pass the challenge. Okay, I just want to prove this and to help everyone here. The next one is on the scalping account. We have 5 trades, but we only made 1.7%. Okay, uh, it's okay. That's how scalping account works. Okay, every trade we are aiming at 0.5 to 1% of our account. Okay, lose is also between 0.5 to 0.75%. Okay, this is the risk that we took. We will take more trade, but you will see the account will grow slowly. But eventually, we will still pass the challenge. So that's the update on what we've achieved in the last week and our progress. In the coming week, I'll be slightly busy, more busy than last week. We'll have less live streaming, but let's see if we can pass the challenge, because eventually the ultimate goal of this channel is to help the part-time trader to transit into full-time trader by how we accumulate the capital. All right. Without further ado, we'll go into review of the this week trend, last week trend. Sorry. Alright guys, now we will do a quick review of past week forecast in the trade that we took. Okay, so if you follow through my channel and watch through my video last week, I did mention that when the market opened, the gold price will eventually go down first. So this is what happened, get down, retest, and then go down. Okay, and I also did mention that if the price managed to come back to this zone, this gap, then we can look for confluence to enter for a short. Okay, so this is where we have the confluence, and this is the opportunities that you can make 1 to 4 uh, profits. Okay, this is the first forecast, and the second forecast is to do a long somewhere down here, but eventually the price did not come down. And the third forecast is to do a short at 2053 to 2056. Okay, you can watch back the video. Everything is transparent and open. Okay, eventually here is an engulfing candle, and here is a divergence, very obvious. Okay, higher high, but MACD is lower high. So this is a place you can do a short, and of course you should have achieved a 1 to 2, at least a 1 to 2. Okay, the 1 to 4 is not chase, but it's okay. So these are the two forecasts that we managed to achieve. Okay, and now let's move into the next agenda, which is to forecast on the price action of the coming week. Okay, it's a huge pump here in the last Thursday and Friday for the PC and the PMI news, which shows the good data and increase the probability of the Federal to reduce the rate. Okay, so let me remove this one first. Okay, by looking at the chart itself, 2078 is the what we call it. Let me go to the weekly and the daily chart. Okay, you can see 2078 is the previous high here. Okay, and the zone from 2078 up until 2088 is 100 pips. This is the weekly zone that you have to look for retracement, provided if there is confluences. But then on Friday itself, before the closing, there is actually a signal here to enter short. But then because the market is closing soon, so I did not make any entry and did not make any live streaming on Friday. So what we're going to do is we wait for the price to come back and retest this location, okay, to 0 at if happen to be a divergence and then double top here, then you can enter for a short. Okay, but bear in mind this counter trend threat, you may need to reduce your risk. Okay, but just stick to the plan. Okay, this is the first forecast. The second forecast for you to do a short is still a counter trend if the price come up here. Okay, this is the historical high. If you come back here and it should retrace, okay, because it only tested once. I am very sure that it should retrace, okay. But you have to wait for the confluences. Either you have the bearish engulfing divergence, or it's a fact breakout, come back, then you can do for a short. That's the second forecast. Okay, the zone is 2140 up until 2144. Okay, that's the zone. Okay, the third forecast that I would like to make today is on this area. Okay, let me draw a Fibo zone. Okay, this is about Fibo 0.5. So what happened here is, let's go to our chart. You can see here is the previous the week here. Okay, maybe I could look for our chart is clearer. So this is the week here. Okay, you have 3 weeks here. So this should be a strong demand zone and it's a feeble zone. So if price come down here and have confidence, you can go for long. Okay, there's the third forecast. The fourth forecast will be here. Okay, as you can see here is a strong demand zone and it's a feeble 0.66 to 69. Okay, and also this is the gap that it pump. Okay, the most recent pump in the 4-hour chart. So the zone is 2054 to 2057. Okay, these are the 4 zones that I'm looking at in the coming week. So if the price manage to enter these 4 zones, I will keep the track. Of course, for scalping, I will be updating live because it's much more difficult to do scalping, and it's not easy to understand if I put my analysis here for scalping. It's more safe if you do the swing trade. Okay. So this all my forecast. I hope you have enjoyed a good profit following through the channel last week, and the upcoming week let's aim for a better profit, and let's get to our plan and pass through the FTMO account. Then after that we will start with our FundedNext account right away. It's the same strategy. I will purchase 2 FundedNext account of 6K each. And then one is on the swing trade and one is on the scalping. We will see which one can pass the challenge better. Okay. That's all on this weekly update. Thank you everyone, and think I update in the Telegram live. And have a nice day and have a nice week ahead. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out. The link is in the description below.